Wonderful opportunity to live in a lake community on Lake Palestine and have potential rental income in addition to your home. The main home, with water views, is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car carport modular home with Hardie back siding and a metal roof. The open floor plan allows an ease for gatherings with the kitchen, dining area, and living area all open to each other. The split master with 2 closets and ensuite bath provides a nice retreat. The 2 guest rooms share a full hall bath perfect for family or guests. Good storage throughout, and the utility room is conveniently located next to the kitchen and master bath. Outside enjoy the saltwater above-ground pool with full deck all around, covered deck area, and gorgeous view of Lake Palestine. Decked walkways and ramps throughout the property and storage buildings too. There is even a second deck area just off of the utility room. Shutters allow for the choice of privacy. The 1-bedroom/1-bath home with 576 square feet is perfect for rental income, mother-in-law home, home office, man cave, or even extra storage if needed. Community HOAs include the use of 2 bot docks. Lots of flexibility with this property. Special financing available. Come see. Come by.